Namaste and welcome. Ayurveda is not just a medical science, it is a timeless philosophy of health and healing. Within Ayurveda, Rasashastra stands as a powerful branch that transforms metals and minerals into safe therapeutic medicines. One of its most remarkable innovations is a Parpati Kalpana. Before Parpati was discovered, Grahani, that is a sprue syndrome, was considered incurable. But with Parpati, this condition became manageable and curable. Ayurveda gained a formulation that revolutionized the treatment of digestive and systemic disorders. Today, let us take a systemic journey into Parpati Kalpana, its history, preparation, types, therapeutic uses, and the wisdom behind the unique formulation. Etymology. The word Parpati means thin, brittle flakes like papad. It is prepared by heating kajali, a compound of mercury and sulfur, until it spread into a thin sheet. Though obtained as a flakes, it is powdered before therapeutic use. Here are ingredients like parat, add gandhak, also some dhatu bhasmas used, also kashtaushadhi also used. In history, Parpati was first described by Acharya Nagarjuna in the 8th century in Rasendra Mandal for skin disease. Later, Acharya Chakrapani in Chakradatta highlighted its role in Grahani. By the 19th century, Acharya Govindas Sen in Vaisheshya Ratnavali documented multiple Parpati types, including the famous Shivat Sankha Nirmiti Ras Parpati, regarding as the best preparation. Types of Parpati. Parpati is classified in many ways by ingredients: Rasa Parpati, Loha Parpati, Tamra Parpati, Swarna Parpati, Bol Parpati. By number of drugs: Panchamrut Parpati, Saptamrut Parpati, etc. By therapeutic effect: Kushtagna Parpati for skin disorders. By appearance: Shwet Parpati like white in color. By preparer: Bhairavnath Parpati. Each type is tailored for specific diseases and therapeutic needs. Now we will see preparation methods. Preparation begins with purification of mercury and sulfur. They are triturated into kajali until classical signs appears like black color, smooth texture, collyrium like fineness and absence of shine. The kajali is then heated gently in a ghee smeared iron pan. Once molten, it is poured onto banana leaves, placed over fresh cow dung, pressed, cooled and dried into thin flakes. These flakes are powdered and stored fast. Precautions. Sulfur is highly combustible, so only mild heat is used. Ghee prevents sticking and adds mildness. Banana and castor leaves impart therapeutic qualities, while cow dung enhances potency through enzymatic and biliary properties. Parpati Paka means Parpati stages. 3 stages are described here. Mrudu Paka. Parpati is a soft, smooth, ideal for use therapy. In Madhyam Paka, Parpati will be lustrous, silvery shines, also ideal. Khara Paka, Parpati will be burnt, toxic and not recommended for therapeutic use. Dosage and administration. 2 regimens are followed. First is a Samanya Prayog. Dose is a 1 to 2 Ratti daily, and in Kalpa Prayog gradually increases from 2 Ratti up to 10 to 12 Ratti, then tapering down. This increment, maintenance, decrement pattern is the standard method for all Parpati preparation in Kalpa Prayog. The complete procedure generally takes around 40 days, but depending on disease severity and patient strength, Kalpa Prayog may be planned for 36 days, 40 days, 60 days, 96 days. And this fixed duration schedule is also called as a chakra or mandal. Pathya Apatya. During Parpati therapy, patients are advised to consume ginger, banana flowers, old rice, cow milk, buttermilk, but avoid sour food, cold bath, stress, anger, jaggery, aquatic meat, and sexual activity are strictly avoided. Parpati is versatile. In Grahani and digestive disorder, it restores Agni. In Unmat and Apasmar, it is used with ghee or Brahmi juice. In Pandu, Kushta, Rajyaksma, and Shul, specific Parpati types are prescribed with suitable adjuncts. Its application extends to cough, fever, liver diseases, splenic enlargement, and many more. In conclusion, Parpati Kalpana is not just a formulation, it is a symbol of Ayurveda genius. By transforming mercury and sulfur into safe therapeutic flakes, Ayurveda created a medicine that conquered Grahani and many other chronic disorders. Its preparation reflects deep scientific wisdom, that is purification, controlling heating, dietary discipline, and precise dosage. Its therapeutic versatility makes it one of the most celebrated Rasaशास्त्रीय formulations. Parpati reminds us that Ayurveda is timeless. Its principle continues to guide us in healing, balance, and holistic well-being. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Parpati Kalpana. May this knowledge inspire respect for Ayurveda's heritage and confidence in its healing power. Namaste.